again dahil every day papakita ko sa inyo kung anong kinakain ko every day around 3 o'clock ng afternoon. Every day ko siya. So, every day ko talaga kinakain to eh. Alam, pagdating ng alas 3. Guys, ito po siya. So, pakita sa inyo. This is brown bread with roca, with cheese, and kotopulo, chicken. Roca, cheese, and chicken, guys. So, pagkatapos ko nitong kumain, inom po ako ng isang basong tea at saka with lemon. Ayan guys, so with lemon guys. Ang tea ko naman ay ito. Immune. Yung merong lemon, ginger at saka turmeric. From Hamad Tea, London. Hakmad Tea, London brand. And guys, so ito sa inyo, everyday. So, samahan nyo ako, let's eat guys, oh. Pakita sa inyo guys. Kaya nyo guys, every 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Ito lang po kinakain ko. Brown bread, roca inside, cheese and chicken. With Ahmad Tea from London. Okay guys, see you next time guys. Don't forget to subscribe. By the way, I'm Chef Kok Chong Lo. Yeah, bye.